Hello and welcome to Rising Stars. Now today's video is us learning doing quick subtraction. Okay, so this is a timed activity, math activity to be precise. Okay, so this will allow your children to be able to practice doing maths very quickly. Okay, so parents, if you have children in year 2 or year 3, this is the video for them to use to watch and practice doing their subtraction quickly. Okay, because these kind of timed activities prepares them for exams. Okay, because even though exams have a long time, the time eventually runs out. Okay, so they need to be able to do their math answer their math questions within a short period of time. Okay, so this activity helps them to do that, to be able to do that, to practice that. Okay, so you need to give them a timer. Okay, because as you can see over here it says time taken, so they need to be able to write the time that it took them to answer all the questions. Okay, and then you need to give them blank paper and also a pen or a pencil. Okay, to be able to write out the sum and the answers as as you see the questions on the board. Okay, so I'll give them 12 minutes because I've used up 2 minutes to explain this activity. So starting from now, if they've got everything together. Okay, after 12 minutes on camera, I'll pause the camera and then work out the sum, and then I'll come back and we'll go through it together. Okay, that is it. 2 minutes left. Well, less than 2 minutes left. Right. So the answers are on the board. Well done to you if you got the answers all correct. Still, well done to you if you got some of them correct and some of them wrong. Okay, the wrong ones, the ones that you got wrong, it just means that you have to practice, continue practicing to do them until you're able to get them right without the help of your parents or your siblings or an adult who is supervising your learning session. Okay, so let us go through it together now. I hope you wrote the timing as well and that you did it as quick as possible. Okay, so let us go through it together. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 12 minus 3 equals 9. 11 minus 4 equals 7. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 14 minus 6 equals 8. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 12 minus 11 equals 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 12 minus 1 equals 11. And lastly, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Okay, so those are the answers. Okay, so parents, look through during these activities after your children have finished. Look through to see what they did correctly, what they did wrong, and then you rewrite out what's it called, the ones they got wrong. You give them another paper, and another time you just rewrite it out for them to re-practice. Okay, and also another thing that you should be looking at is if they are able to write their numbers correctly, because some children still struggle to remember how to write some of their numbers correctly. Okay, now I've been sharing it in the previous video that when you do this, you also make sure that you look at how they write their numbers. Okay, some children write 3 like this, some children write 5 like this, some children write 2 like this, okay. Some of them write, because they write 13 like this, they'll write like this when it comes to double numbers. You find that they'll write 13 like that. And then you find that they write 15 like this. That's how they'll write 15 if they normally write their numbers backwards. So it's a case of just reminding them to write it the right way round. It's not that they don't know how to write their numbers, it's just that they don't remember to write them the right way round. So you have to remind them to write it the right way round as you're correcting their work. Okay, so that is part of the correction that you do with them. Okay, and don't scold them while you're correcting them. Just gently remind them, and also let them write it. Don't write it for them, let them write it. Write the correct one and let them practice writing it next to the one that you have written correctly. Okay, don't write it for them, let them do it themselves. Okay, and let them see numbers around them. We're going to be doing activities on how to write numbers, like I said, but if you could get number charts around the house, around your home, that would help them to be able to look at, to always see numbers so that they'll remember. Okay, so yeah, because that's what we do. We've got number charts and different educational charts on our walls, so that the children in our premises are able to look at, in our physical premises, they're able to look at numbers, and they're able to look at, since we're talking about numbers, they look at numbers, the word numbers, and also the number numbers. Okay, so that helps them. Okay, that is it. I shall see you all in the next video. Have a good evening. Bye.